every broken stone. But then your light broke through the darkest of the night. You reached down low and held me with your holy might. Jesus, you turned my story and set my spirit free. Jesus, you fought the battle and won it all for me. I am standing in your glory for everyone to see, and that is my victory and my sweet destiny. The chains that bound my heart have fallen to the ground. In every breath I take, your perfect love is found. You traded all my sorrow for a song of praise. I will walk within your mercy for all of my days.